What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video I'm gonna be telling you how you can design backgrounds just like me. So some of you have actually asked me how do I design my backgrounds for my thumbnails and for my Instagram posts. So here is a video, but in this video is gonna be a little different. In this video I'm gonna be explaining you not a particular design, like how you can design a particular design, but I'm gonna be telling you how do I actually think to design some background. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. This might sound a little boring to you, but if you want to learn something out of my channel, and if you want to know how do I design things, you should watch this video till the end. And as you know the drill, you have to subscribe to this channel if you like what you see. If you want to thank my efforts, you can do that by clicking on that like button and let me know what do you think about this video in the comments below. And without any more wasting time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this video is divided into some points that I have created to explain you in a better way possible. And the first point is going to be inspiration. The most used thing that I do for background design is I take inspiration from designers that I love and follow. The thing is, I'm a learner too, just like you, and I follow a lot of people on social medias and follow their design work. So whenever they post something, I try to learn how do they do it, and even I try to copy them into my work as well. So I try to learn whatever they are designing and how much creative they are getting with their designs. So like this, I learn a lot of stuff all the time and use them onto my designs as well. For example, this design effect is inspired by Ram Creator, and he does all his work from computer softwares. So I tried to generate this same effect on mobile pixellab app and it worked perfectly well. And I was even surprised by the look and feel that how it actually matched with the computer software effect. There is nothing wrong in getting inspired by things that you see, and everybody does that, and you can do it too, to learn better design and to get started into design. And that's what I do to learn all these design techniques. And this way I have learned so much from so many professional graphic designers out there who are working and making some good money from their graphic design skills. So the takeaway of this point is you will have to go and observe background designs and see what you can learn from them. You can find out the best elements into your inspiration design and can use them into your designs as well. So your designs will also look as good as your inspiration designs are. Okay, the second point is going to be foreground reflection. Sometimes I use elements from the design or subject itself to make the background match with the subject design. Elements like PNGs, shapes, even text can be used into your background. As you can see, I have used this method on YouTube thumbnails and on Instagram posts as well. To learn this thing, you will have to do a simple thing, and that is practice. See if it works with your design, or even you can use a plain background and put those elements into a low opacity, as you can see on the screen. To download these elements, the best website is Google search. Just open your web browser, type what you need, and then type PNG next to it to get into the PNG form. Download it and use it onto your backgrounds just like that. The third point is going to be mix and match. At the end, background design comes down on how much you get creative and practice design with new tricks. Mixing them together can be the best way to find out your design style. And there are multiple tips and tricks videos available onto my YouTube channel. And in this video as well, I'm giving you some tips, and here they come. Tip number 1 is always balance out your background design. Make sure your background has no unnecessary blank space. When you use it with your subject, it should look balanced. I have used background elements to make my subject design look perfect, as you can see on the screen. Tip number 2 is going to be don't add too many things onto your background. Not knowing how much to add can be tricky, but you can feel if you got unnecessary things onto your background. I suggest add subject onto your layers and then start building your background along with your subject. Of course, you can switch off and on your subject layer to get the best design experience when you're designing onto pixellab app. Tip number 3, background color. Your background color may be black or white, or maybe a black and white gradient, but if you want to use colors onto your background, then use them with respect to your foreground design colors. For example, this thumbnail, the girl is wearing the red clothes which perfectly match with the warm tones of the background. So as you can see, there are so many examples on the screen to you to understand how the background color with the foreground color matches and how they affect onto a overall look of the design. And this is the video, guys. I hope this video helps you on background design. If you got more to add, let me know in the comments below. If you are still listening to me, do subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. That's all for today, and I will catch you guys in my next video.